Look at this tiny prey on the forest floor. But something is coming. Can 1,000 fire ants take it down?
The fire ants are on the move. Watch as they emerge from their nest, moving together like a perfectly coordinated army. Look at this tiny prey on the forest floor, but something is coming. Can 1,000 fire ants take it down? Here comes the first. More ants are joining in. They communicate chemically to coordinate this incredible attack. Every ant knows its role in the swarm. The prey struggles, trying to escape, but the swarm holds tight. Fire ants are tiny but incredibly strong and strategic. Idiots. The swarm overwhelms the prey completely. A single fire ant colony can have up to 250,000 ants, capable of... Now the ants carry small pieces of prey back to their nest. This is the incredible teamwork of fire ants in the wild. If you enjoyed this epic insect battle, subscribe for more amazing macro nature videos and ASMR experiences.